This is a patient, 47-year-old from Singapore, came to Glomac today. His main concern is to cover the SMP area, that it looks like he has colored the area, especially the frontal temple area, doesn't look natural. And today, we're going to use the smart FU technique to tackle his male pattern hair loss level 3.
Well, I had this hair treatment where they promised me that they will do microblading strokes, but it turned out to be like a permanent hair dye, and it affected me. My morale was low, and at the same time I had receding hairline.
We have given the local anesthesia. You can see there's a bit of swelling here. This the design, this the frontal temple angle. As you can see the dye is still here and it's going down to the frontal temple angle. And we have drawn the design to tackle all this area. We will put a graph here, we will put a graph here, we put a graph here. The estimated graph that we are planning today, it will be from 1005 to 2000 graph.